Keeping a guy interested without seeming clingy or desperate is something that many women struggle with. One wrong move and you could send him running for the hills. But get it right, and you'll have him hooked, thinking about you even when you're not around. In this video, we're diving deep into 14 powerful psychology-backed techniques that will keep him captivated without you ever having to chase. These aren't your typical dating tips. They're insider secrets used by relationship experts and master seductresses, ready to become the woman he can't get enough of. Before we jump into our techniques, let's understand the male psyche when it comes to attraction. Contrary to popular belief, men aren't just visual creatures. They're drawn to women who make them feel good about themselves, who challenge them, and who maintain an air of mystery. Dr. Helen Fisher, a renowned anthropologist, has identified 3 primary brain systems involved in romantic love: lust, attraction, and attachment. For men, the interplay of testosterone, dopamine, and oxytocin creates a powerful cocktail of desire and bonding. By understanding these biological processes, we can trigger the right responses to keep him interested without coming across as needy. Now, let's go into each of our techniques that will have him thinking about you non-stop. 1. Do not try too much. Desperation is the ultimate turnoff. The key is to show interest without appearing overeager. This creates a delicious tension that keeps him intrigued. Instead of bombarding him with texts or calls, adopt a less is more approach. Respond to his messages, but don't always be the one initiating contact. When you do reach out, make it purposeful and engaging. A study by the University of Virginia found that uncertainty actually increases romantic attraction. By not always being available, you create a sense of anticipation and excitement. He'll start to wonder about you, fantasize about your next interaction. This mental engagement is far more powerful than constant presence. Remember, you're a catch. Act like it. 2. Have guy best friends. Having platonic male friends serves multiple purposes in keeping a guy interested. First, it shows that you're comfortable around men and understand them. This ease and familiarity is incredibly attractive. Second, it subtly triggers his competitive instincts. Seeing other men value your company makes you more desirable in his eyes. Moreover, male friends can provide valuable insights into the male psyche, helping you understand your love interest better. A study in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships found that women with male friends were perceived as more attractive partners. Just ensure boundaries are clear to avoid any misunderstandings or jealousy issues. 3. Withhold sex. In our fast-paced, instant gratification world, delaying sexual intimacy can be a powerful tool. This isn't about playing games, but about building anticipation and emotional connection. By taking things slow physically, you give the relationship time to develop depth and substance. Couples who delay sex report higher relationship satisfaction and better communication. This waiting period allows you to assess compatibility beyond physical attraction. It also gives him time to invest emotionally, increasing his overall interest and commitment. Remember, anticipation is half the pleasure. 4. Think like his mother and care for him. This doesn't mean babying him or losing your identity. It's about understanding his need for nurturing and support. Men often crave the unconditional love and care they receive from their mothers. By providing emotional support and showing genuine interest in his well-being, you tap into this deep-seated need. A study in the journal Psychological Science found that men in relationships with women who exhibited nurturing behaviors reported higher levels of satisfaction and commitment. Small gestures like remembering his favorite meal or offering a listening ear after a tough day can make a big impact. Just be careful not to cross the line into mothering. Maintain your role as a partner, not a parent. 5. Keep yourself attractive. Physical attraction matters, but this isn't about conforming to unrealistic beauty standards. It's about self-care and confidence. When you feel good about yourself, it shows. Maintain your personal hygiene. Dress in a way that makes you feel confident and take care of your health. Women who are satisfied with their appearance report higher levels of relationship satisfaction. This confidence is magnetic. Plus, by prioritizing self-care, you show that you value yourself, a highly attractive quality. Remember, the goal is to feel good in your own skin, not to change yourself for someone else. 6. Maintain your own life. Independence is incredibly attractive. Don't abandon your hobbies, friends, or goals for a relationship. Having your own life creates a sense of mystery and keeps things interesting. When you're not always available, he has time to miss you and wonder what you're up to. It is evident that couples who maintain some level of independence has higher levels of passion in their relationships. Share your experiences with him, but don't feel the need to include him in every aspect of your life. This balance keeps the relationship fresh and exciting. 7. Celebrate his achievements. Men thrive on feeling respected and appreciated. When you genuinely celebrate his achievements, big or small, you boost his confidence and strengthen your bond. This isn't about false flattery, but about recognizing his efforts and successes. Research from the University of California, Berkeley found that couples who celebrated each other's successes were more likely to stay together long term. Whether it's a promotion at work or mastering a new skill, showing genuine enthusiasm for his accomplishments makes him associate you with positive feelings. He'll want to share more of his life with you as a result. 8. Challenge him mentally. Physical attraction may catch his eye, but intellectual stimulation will keep his mind engaged. Don't be afraid to express your opinions, even if they differ from his. Engaging in thoughtful discussions or playful debates can be incredibly stimulating. A study in the journal Evolution and Human Behavior found that men rated women who were smarter than them as more attractive for long-term relationships. Share your knowledge, ask thought-provoking questions, and show genuine interest in learning from him too. This mental connection creates a deeper bond that goes beyond surface-level attraction. 9. Be his confidant. In a world where men often feel pressured to maintain a tough exterior, being someone he can open up to is invaluable. Create a safe space for him to express his feelings without judgment. This emotional intimacy builds trust and deepens your connection. Research published in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships found that men who felt they could be emotionally vulnerable with their partners reported higher relationship satisfaction. Listen actively, offer support when needed, and show empathy. By being his emotional safe haven, you become irreplaceable in his life. 10. Keep things light and fun. While deep connections are important, don't forget the power of playfulness and humor. Relationships should be enjoyable, not a constant source of stress or seriousness. Inject fun into your interactions, whether it's through inside jokes, spontaneous adventures, or just being silly together. Don't be afraid to show your goofy side or initiate playful activities. This lightness balances out the deeper aspects of your relationship and keeps things fresh and exciting. 11. Give to receive. Social psychology teaches us about the power of reciprocity. When you do something nice for someone, they feel compelled to return the favor. Apply this to your relationship subtly. Offer genuine compliments, small, thoughtful gestures, or unexpected acts of kindness. This creates a positive cycle of give and take. Reciprocity is a strong predictor of attraction and relationship satisfaction. The key is to give without expectation, but allow him the opportunity to reciprocate. This balance fosters a sense of equality and mutual appreciation in the relationship. 12. The Pygmalion effect. Believe in his potential. The Pygmalion effect, or self-fulfilling prophecy, suggests that our expectations of others can influence their behavior. Apply this by seeing and encouraging the best in him. Believe in his potential, not in a way that tries to change him, but that supports his growth. A landmark study by Rosenthal and Jacobson demonstrated how positive expectations can lead to improved performance. When you genuinely believe in his capabilities, it boosts his confidence and motivates him to live up to that perception. This creates a positive cycle of growth and mutual admiration in your relationship. 13. The misattribution of arousal. Create excitement. Psychologists have found that people often misattribute physical arousal from one source to another. You can use this by introducing excitement into your relationship. Engage in adrenaline-pumping activities together like roller coasters, scary movies, or adventure sports. A classic study by Dutton and Aaron found that men were more likely to be attracted to a woman after crossing a scary bridge. The heightened physical state was misattributed to attraction. Plan dates that get your hearts racing, and he'll associate that excitement with being around you. 14. The pratfall effect. Embrace imperfection. Counterintuitively, showing some vulnerability can increase attraction. The pratfall effect, discovered by psychologist Elliot Aronson, suggests that people who are perceived as highly competent become more likable when they make a small mistake. Don't be afraid to show your human side. Admit when you're wrong, laugh at yourself when you make a minor blunder, or share a slightly embarrassing story. A study in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology confirmed that this can increase interpersonal attraction. It makes you more relatable and approachable, deepening your connection. Remember, these techniques aren't about manipulating or changing who you are. They're about bringing out the best in yourself and creating a genuine connection. The most powerful attraction comes from being authentic, confident, and emotionally intelligent. These strategies can enhance your natural appeal, leading to a more fulfilling and lasting relationship. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.